Hi guys, so it's our last day.
Our last exam for our minor.
Yeah.
Second to the last exam of our entire life in nursing.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna be...
We're gonna jump. We're gonna jump now.
7 out of 8. Guys, come.
What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again? I know. Bonfire, right? Bonfire, right? Bonfire will fade to me.
Bonfire, right? Answer.
Scene. Guys, nabiyaan me here. Nga, di mi ka ba usahan mag-on?
Kasi nitulog na ba ako niya galit ka nga pala.
Di ka ba lugar?
Sir ko na na.
Ngayon pang maoy ni mo, Beb. Grabe ka.
In love mo na eh. Awa, di mo ko in love.
Ako po, gamaoy man ko.
In love ko eh. Bagong ka.
Ako na may gamaoy. Dili o siya gamaoy.
Ay, mana naman. Diyan.
Ipalit o.
Diba?
Tambal.
Magsaka niya.
Magpupalit siya ni Saka.
Ano nakag-lyrics tayo?
Sorry, sorry.
Huwag kang maniwala dyan. Di ka niya mahal talaga.
Iwanan ka lang yan. Ingat ka. Dagdag ka lamang.
Sa milyong-milyong babae niya. Akin ka na lang. Akin ka na lang. Iingatan ko ang puso mo.
Akin ka na lang.
Yaw, hindi ko ito makita, oh.
At wala nang higit pa
Sa
sa'yo.
kanidayin yung i-on. Wala na ni chance sa panita, bay.
Hello, always first time wala eh. Alcohol. Baka pati ikay naman sana.
Kaya wala yung alcohol. Wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Everybody is in chaos. Thank you for my makeup artists, these two, for helping me. And muna ang mga uniforms, guys. So muna, it's currently 12:10, guys. 12:10. And check-in is at 1 p.m. in the Airbnb in IT. Our call time in school is 1:30. So, sorry. We're supposed to...
Brush pa lang, Beb. Kasi eh, dali mo ko yan. Dara, oh. Luko ni Beb.
I will update you.
Buwang sa pag-fish.
Wow, welcome to our vlog. Wow, hello.
Annyeong.
Sabi ko mukhang taon tong
teamwork and a supportive environment.
Hi guys, it's our seniors record and I'm so bored. Yeah, I give it
Hi vlog daw, hi vlog.
Is steady and serene.
He's so smiling.
Widely
He's so smiling with her girlfriend.
Mar. Say hi vlog.
Say hi.
Julia has process, unwavering determination, endurance, and strength.
Sana. Again.
party will be very wild.
This is her now. Before.
Watch me later.
Kaya siya.
I'm on now.
This is you before. Say hi sa vlog.
Ay, video day ni.
See Julian.
Kapuin ako, guys.
A steadfast
Oy, mo ng goal ha.
Speak louder.
Tomoto. Hi vlog.
Today's frenzy.
I want to vlog.
In the softest,
I need to telling Hog give Maxine the mission to sagpa me.
Mission?
To sagpa me if I cry. Mama no sad only.
So I have the authority and permission.
Yes.
Okay, not on
But
that.
slight sagpa.
Like crash.
her will be
Ana auto. With the piti or like Ana. No, you don't. Ana lang.
trust and
Okay.
quiet joy to
You have the permission to do something.
Or Ana. Or Ana ra.
Basta, depende sa kung level.
Okay, okay.
Okay?
Okay. This
See you
is
later.
her not
Pinaka-ours.
intoxicated. Time check.
Today is 8:20.
So kindly turn your attention to the screen as we present a special video.
Uy, ilan mo para madali. Ilan na ka para madali. Ano mo nga sa kayo? Bayot akong make up!
But we have salin. Tas mura ko burikat diri galakaw-lakaw youth.
Out of everyone, kikamirang
Yeah, I don't know why. No, it's not an us problem.
I don't know.
Me too.
Makasleep if in ani ra ka level ako.
Right? Like,
Hindi ko katug guys. Alas unsa pa ko makamata until ani. Ay ha? Until alas unsa pa ko makamata ani.
are you drunk? Si Dachi.